The actual physical touch is way better, way healthier, and way more harmonizing than something synthetic. So movies and streaming. So obviously, of course, like the constant stuff in the background. I know a lot of people in their homes that have a TV screen going all the time. Not good. It's better to have classical music going in the background because that's harmonizing. Like I showed you with Dr. Masato's research, how it structures that cell, and it's powerful how that makes the cell look. So from chaotic to organized.